How come they are making it very easy to remove the pot tire, the tube from the pot tire, and for me, I'm very much having a hard time removing the pot tire in there. And now we're going to check where is the hole. Yeah, because I remember yesterday coming from the grocery and there is like a gap, so I just dropped the front wheel and there I heard some sound. Yeah, but when I was driving, I didn't feel that it's getting flat. Just this morning when I wake up, it's flat to the ground, right? Yeah, I found it punctured, and as you can see, it is creating bubbles. So it means that the punctured is in there. And some of you know that I have this kind of sticker that I bought from Kmart. Yeah, and this is basically the one that I'm going to cover this. This is like a sticker. Yeah. I finally fixed the bike. I mean, put back the tube on the wheel. And this is fun. This is a very big help, mate. It was now deformed, but it's okay. I'm not using this. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is now 4 o'clock. Yeah, we are going to snorkel. Nice, mate. I plan to go to the gym. Would be my first time. But when I get out of the house, I see my bike is flat. So I didn't able because I fixed the bike for around 2-3 hours. And that's long. It's taking most of my time. I finished at around maybe 8-9 o'clock. And by the time it's already hot outside. Yeah, so I decided to just stay at home, edit the video. And at the moment, it is uploading. The original plan is actually like to go to the gym by 6 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock I'm going for snorkel, because 9 o'clock is the right time for in the place where the most people do the snorkel. Yeah, 9 o'clock is the high tide, and that's the best time to do snorkel in Fly Point. Yesterday while I was working, I was planning to go to Sydney after my duty. But then I go home at 3 o'clock, so it was cancelled. I didn't able to go to Sydney. Yeah, because for me it's already bad. Hey Lorenzo! How are you? How are you? You live here? See you tomorrow.
I'll see you Wednesday.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's Lorenzo. He's working in the housekeeping. He looks like South American or Spanish, and he sounds like Italian or something Spanish. I don't know. Yeah, I thought he is local. Yeah, he is new. Lorenzo. Sometimes I'm calling him Rafael, and he is correcting me. No, Lorenzo. Oh, look at this bike. They put it on top of the car. Nice. I'm seeing a lot of like that. It is nice. The water and the sun reflection looks beautiful. And also yesterday, because I'm really eager to go home because of the plan of going to Sydney. Yeah, so I told to my chef that I need to go home because I'm going to Sydney. Initially he don't want me to go because he wants me to go with him at the same time, but I said that I need to go to Sydney. Wow, look at this. For sure this one is also because of the hailstorm last night. No, 2 nights ago. Yeah, Look, also the leaves, they are still here. Yeah, mate, we are now in Fly Point. Yeah, and there are some people here, and we are going down there. Yeah, and there are two ladies there. This is what I'm telling you. This place is a sanctuary zone. No fishing or collecting. This is a rocky area, so I don't know if I need to wear my sleeper when I get down there. Yeah, water is cold, like what I'm expecting. I don't know if you can see those birds. They are trying to fish here. Look, 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 look. Look at that. You know, I can see that there are some plants down there. And it is scary, man. I don't know if I can make it, because you know, on the other side it's good because it's like a normal sand. But here there are some plants. Maybe there are some scary creatures, dangerous creatures that are hiding down there. So this is the right way, because you know, last time when I used this, I put it all over to the mouth like this, and a lot of viewers seen that and they said it's wrong, should be just like this. Yeah, they said that it should be between the teeth and the lips, and that's what I'm going to do now. Yeah, aside from the comments, I also got some messages, and it's nice. Thank you very much. And yeah, we're going to do this the right way. It is scary. Yeah, it is scary. Yeah, down there is scary. It looks bigger. The things down there are bigger. Yeah, it feels like a different world. It's scary, amazing. I don't know how to explain. Because you know, this goggles is like a magnifying glass. Everything that I'm seeing down there are big. See, it's a little scary. Actually, it's scary. But I don't know anything that is harmful in the water, except the only thing I know is the shark, but there is no shark here.
Or maybe it is not just a good idea to do a snorkel alone.
It was scary to touch the plants. Really nice, but it's scary. Yeah, next time when there are so much people here, I mean when there are other people here, I'll try to go on the other side, maybe deeper. For sure there are so much more interesting, maybe a lot of colors, different fish. Yeah, a water shoes, sea shoes is needed in here, because I'm not moving. When I get down there, I'm not moving. And also next time I am going to wear my wetsuit. Yeah, I have wetsuit because when Ronald came to Sydney, he bought us with salt for me, for John, and for him, because we are supposed to go for paddle boarding, but during the time it was raining, so we didn't able.